DecoWires, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are taking some thrift store chairs and turning them into some cute padded stools. And we're painting them with Americana Decor outdoor living paints. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some padded stools. Americana Decor outdoor living paints come in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.